Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the Honourable Member for the question. Madam Speaker, the Fiji Police Force is currently undergoing restructure and reform in its endeavour to achieve the following. 1. Organizational and corporate relevancy. 2. Optimum business level performance. 3. Efficient and effective delivery of service. And 4. Command and control of criminal landscape. Madam Speaker, the theme of the Fiji Police Force restructure and reform is aligning strategy, capabilities and resources, and intend to create an organizational culture, branding and imaging to become a policing organization that thrives on an output-based performance, which is formed from the geostrategic landscape from where it operates in. Madam Speaker, the rationale of why a driving license is a requisite for police selection from now and into the future are as follows. 1. There are no positions such as drivers in the Fiji Police Force. Only the Commissioner of Police has an allocation of a driver. Officers drive and attend to reports as well as follow-up investigations themselves. 2. Madam Speaker, with the increased number of vehicles, including motorcycles, coming their way, there is a need for more drivers. At times, vehicles remain parked at the police stations and there are no drivers. 3. Being the major traffic enforcement department in Fiji, Madam Speaker, and with the increase of vehicle population in Fiji, police requires understanding of vehicle operations, and getting a license form is a basis of this. And 4, Madam Speaker, United Nations and regional peacekeeping deployments, either for UNPOL deployment or secondment, appointment as key requirements, and deployment requirements as core competency with at least a Group 2 driving license. Number 5, Madam Speaker, international, including some of our nearby countries like Australia, New Zealand, and Oceania, police agencies have police requirements, driving as essential criteria. Number 6, Madam Speaker, modernization and transformation of Fiji Police Force and as catalyst to change in corporate culture augurs well in preparation of new generation workforce for the future of the Fiji Police Force and the nation, Madam Speaker. A recruit candidate joining Fiji Police Force now will retire around 2050. Thus, Fiji Police is preparing a workforce not only for now and tomorrow, but also for a longer period. Number 7, Madam Speaker, the tier model of a new Fiji police structure will equip only a certain number allocations of personnel, where there is no provision for so-called extras as drivers. Thus, Madam Speaker, personnel allocated with these tier model stations and community posts are mandatory and have to drive to and from their deployment, tasking of daily engagements by themselves. Number 8, Madam Speaker, workforce of the excellence. Complete police officers equipped with tools of trade, that is driving, swimming, English preferred second language, and driving competencies, to name a few, Madam Speaker. Special constables under the One Force philosophy, Madam Speaker, will be absorbed or migrated into mainstream regular workforce, thereby requiring and enabling more frontline police officers to operations and investigation deployment. Thus, the demand for police drivers per overall police population will increase. And number 10 is, Madam Speaker, cost to reduction of specialized drivers, when all general duty officers can undertake driving duties along with other position descriptions, Madam Speaker. Drastic reduction of driver population as officers promoted to officer or inspector level and above can no longer drive police fleet. As such, Madam Speaker, younger constables, they drive, and entry officers need to be recruited and authorized to undertake and replenish police driver population. Madam Speaker, rise in specialist units within the police force has warranted specialized staff or units to attend to these specialized roles. The Fiji Police Force cannot afford to carry excess staff or drivers to these professional experts or staff. Rather, these officers need to attend to their duties themselves, like driving, rather than depending on some driver to drive for them. Number 13, Madam Speaker, recruit constables equipped with driving license shall form the source to graduate them to upper driving grades or classes, goods, heavy goods and police mini and passengers buses. These to avoid recruiting upper class drivers in special constabulary for these purposes. Madam Speaker, ample time for preparation to acquire a driving license has been pronounced for candidature for this recruitment drive, including postponement due to the 2 recent cyclones and floods. It has never been that prospective candidates had been turned away from recruitment. And Madam Speaker, requirement is based on multiple positive reinforced competencies and merit-based multi-criteria system in the likes of screening, aptitude tests, agility tests, and personal interviews. Background checks of which physical ability to certain assessment criteria is also tested and assessed. Madam Speaker, let me assure this House that there is no element of discrimination or segregation to driving requirements being an issue. Thank you, Madam Speaker.